Ranini. Remember, Terence Leather, malaki yung hinabol nila ng third quarter. He's already looking down and ibig sabihin yan, may napapagod na rin to si Terence Leather. Although he will have a matchup advantage pag nawala si Reda Ralimi, pagod na rin siguro to si Terence Leather.
Lots of time remaining in this game. Both teams looking for win number 8. Pure Foods trying to score back-to-back wins here. Samantalang ang Talking Tex naman trying to snap a 5-game losing skid. Meantime, here's our Buhay Coke shot. Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang Buhay Coke, buksan mo! Great game so far para kay Chico Lanete, who started this game para sa Pure Foods.
Chico Lanete already with 10 points like we mentioned, and nice thing about Chico Lanete today, only 1 turnover. Considering ang dami na kuwang turnover ng Talking Tex nung nagpe-pressure sila.
Now Leather beginning to miss his shots. You might be right. Napagod ito si Leather dahil siya talaga ang nagdala sa Talking Tex in that third quarter surge. Meantime, here's Simon. What a TM3! That's behind the back, step back, TM3 for Peter Jun Simon.
Kids, don't try that at home. That is a difficult shot mula kay Peter Jun Simon. But, you know, this has been Peter Jun Simon's year. Remember, he is the All-Star MVP. And most likely, when the awards get out, will be the 6th man of the year.
Kaya ang tawag sa kanya, super sub. Lanete spots up. Here's Alapag. Steps on the gas. Trying to go all the way, but Kirby Raimundo was there to bother the shot. Here's Lanete to Simon. Simon spins and misses. Takbo tayo sa kabilang palig. Here's Cardona. Cardona to Ritualo. Ritualo with a fake. Ritualo goes to Leather. And Leather is fouled. And the basket is good.
Basket's good for Terence Leather. Holding foul on number 21, Kirby Raimundo.
Pangapat laban kay Kirby Raimundo. Good decision by Ritualo. And not even that foul by Raimundo could stop Terence Leather. We're tied at 84.